Hey everyone, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, the place to crack coding interviews with confidence. So, Java learners, let's understand method overloading, a powerful tool in polymorphism. So, our question is, what is method overloading in Java? Method overloading means having multiple methods with the same name but different parameters in a class. So here is some example. You can see that void sum with the argument integer a and b, void sum with the argument double a and double b. Here the data types are different. It improves readability and supports compile time polymorphism. So the conclusion is same method name, different signatures. Always mention compile time polymorphism in interviews. So hit like if this made polymorphism easy. Subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub for more. Thank you very much guys.